If I could show you a way to double your pension or investment portfolio, tax-free by the end of 2021, or give you your money back at the end of the year, would you take me up on that offer? Hi, my name's John Hammond. I've worked in finance for over 25 years, running and retiring from my business in 2012. Since then, I've traded my own funds. I've worked for banks, investment offices and a hedge fund, and I still consult with companies on their treasury functions, so I'd like to think I'm qualified to show you how to generate extra profits from the stock market. There is now an unprecedented opportunity I'd like to show you today that will double or more your ISA or pension portfolios tax-free within the next 12 months. I'm so confident about this, I'm prepared to stake my reputation on it. If you're interested, I'll show you why now, what I'm looking at, and how you can benefit. I'll even send you a free report backing this up with research if you watch until the end. So what is it and why now, I hear you ask? COVID-19 has brought many tragic risks, but also opportunities for those that are aware of or experienced in the financial markets. The global government reaction is to stimulate the economy with lots of money printing in every country of the world to support their economies. This money printing in the past, like the Depression in the 1930s, the war in the 40s, oil crises like the 70s, and stock market collapses of 2000 and 2008, each drove specific commodity prices higher, and in particular one certain type of asset. This chart is my ultimate long-term roadmap chart for the broader commodities price index, the CRB. It has put in a massive low and is now at the same level it was 48 years ago, just after I was born, which equals more than spectacular opportunity. The next decade or so will be a huge bull market in these assets. The precious metals are now leading the commodities complex out of a bear market low in a very decisive way, which is exactly what we want to see at the beginning of a true commodities bull market. The very long-term chart for gold shows the almost unimaginable move we're about to experience during the coming years. But there is another asset umbilically linked to commodities. Its bull market will dwarf the move made by gold, and linked to this asset is a tiny stock sector that will soar 20, 50 or 100 times higher as it did do in previous commodity bull markets. This is the area that will produce spectacular returns over the next 1 to 2 years, and I have a specific portfolio for our members to benefit. Next year, based on my technical analysis, historical experience and connections, I've gone all in 3 key areas to take full advantage of the final leg up in this bull market. If you'd like to double your money or more next year and the years following and get a free gift from me, carry on listening. Of course, I'm no longer regulated or an advisor, so if this is something you are unsure about, I recommend you seek appropriate independent financial or legal advice. This is an investment newsletter. I do not know your circumstances, and I don't recommend this for the risk-averse, faint-hearted and those with small portfolios of less than £10,000, as some of these stocks can retrace 30, 40 or 50% before they double and more. If you're not happy with this potential retracement, switch off now. But if you're a seasoned trader or have a large portfolio and want to allocate 25% or more to this, then please listen on. I've already had members make 115% like Amanda, 225% like Owen, and even 356% like Jake in less than 3 months this year. But that's nothing to the gains I believe we're going to see in next year and the coming years. Remember, I've gone all in with this portfolio and others too, and if you join today, I'm going to make you a very special offer. If I can show you a way to double your pension or investment portfolio tax-free by the end of 2021, or give you your money back at the end of the year if it doesn't, would you take me up on that offer? The benefit of CryptoMetalResearch.com is that all the work is done for you, keeping things hugely simple. All you need to do is decide if you want us to do it for you, if you want to partner with us, or if you want to do it yourself, and our prices reflect this. The initial work takes about an hour or two, and then it's 5 to 10 minutes a week. More only if you want to. We can even send you pulse signals with alerts to price points and actions we are taking, and you'll even get a monthly portfolio review. If you partner with us, you'll get a secret Facebook group to support and answer your questions as soon as possible. You control everything. We explain what we've done and why, and you decide if you follow this or do something else. These are your funds under your control, and you decide if these assets are right for you and your circumstances. You can start to benefit from a few £100 a month, or if you've got a few £1,000, we would recommend a minimum of 5 to 10,000. Some of the types of stocks we have researched have made many hundreds of % in the last bull market that ended in 2011. But the big winners will be those who move their ISA, pension and realign them to take full advantage of this dramatic bull market. I'm doing this anyway. I'm all in with my funds, so win or lose, I will be in the same position as you. But based on my business background and charting knowledge, I want to get as many traders and investors to benefit before the stock market has the largest drop since the 1930s depression. I want you to benefit and move your assets before it's too late. Next year, after the huge rally I'm expecting, the markets will fall substantially, but not for our assets, which will benefit from all the stimulus and reduced value of the dollar. So if you choose to join us and maintain your subscription, when I move my funds, I will alert you through CryptoMetal Pulse directly to your email. So if I could show you a way to double your investments or more next year, or your money back, would you take me up on that offer? We have also a unique strategy that can then produce your very own income tap, if required, to produce an income stream of at least 12% per year from your doubled capital. You decide how much or how little you want to take, all thanks to our experience and investment knowledge of the crypto metal investment markets. So if you'd like to discuss joining us as a premier client of CryptoMetalResearch.com, then head over to our website, select Premier, and book a 15-minute Zoom call with me or one of our directors to discuss your personal circumstances and how we can work to deliver portfolios that will double your investments next year or your money back. But don't delay, this offer closes soon. Also, as I promised, head over to our website and click the link to the asset reports and watch or download your free report on gold or Bitcoin. See below for the links. As a premier client or business, we will hold your hand and show you exactly how and where you need to benefit, and if required, help you set it all up. You decide how much support you need from us and work with us on a one-to-one basis until you are set up and profitable. We even have a private Facebook group to help you out. So if you want to at least double your investments in 2021 or get your money back, act now. This is a genuine offer and finishes soon. For further information, email us at support@cryptometalresearch.com. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you soon.